CRES is currently coordinating a very important project in the context of Interreg Med program named Pelagos. Is consistent of a consortium of 8 partners from 7 Mediterranean countries and aims in establishing for the first time a transnational Mediterranean blue energy cluster in order to accelerate the development of blue energy in the Mediterranean marine and maritime areas. So for the time being, we have gathered for the first time in Mediterranean level 380 stakeholders in 7, as I said, Mediterranean countries that establish their national hubs.
We have started with inviting private companies to participate in the hub, and I can say that this attempt was very successful because now the Greek hub counts 51 participants.
I think we had decided to participate in the Pelagos hub, which considered as a very important opportunity for us to exchange views, ideas, to network with other companies in Greece and abroad, to gain technological know-how, and to find opportunities for collaboration in this specific area.
As an SME, we needed also not only institutes which have a long experience and expertise out of our field, but we needed also to partner with other SMEs in order to augment our mass and be able to deliver the final product that we wanted.
We are looking forward to establish new collaborations with partners from abroad, even not only from Greece, in order to set up collaborations.
In general, the equipment potential of Greece can play a strategic role in the development of renewables in Greece.
We believe that there is going to be a very great future here because we have all the constituent parts of success.
Blue energy really provides opportunities for growth, jobs, and global environmental gains. This gathering of stakeholders in a completely new topic for Mediterranean is the most appropriate solution in order to accelerate a little bit the development of the market.